tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, hashtag tarot reader Shefali. I hope already you have subscribed my channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I'll be releasing in future. So friends, in this video, we are going to speak about June 2020 forecast for your sun sign. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Pisceans, let's see what's in cards for you for June 2020. People who are born from 19th of February to 20th of March are Pisceans. Let's see what the cards have to say for June 2020. We'll start with your energy oracle card, friends. We have a man holding a coin in the reverse position in your energy oracle segment. So this is a little tricky card looking at the rest of your spread, but the card suggests that there is a man who is expected to exploit you financially in the coming months. So just be careful about such man. Either there is some external source, that is the other man who is from an unknown source or a known source for that matter, who will try to take some money from you with an intent to not repay, or you yourself are going to drain your money in a wrong way or expend it in a wrong way, which is going to lead to financial loss. So I can see some financial loss evident, that energy evident in your life in the coming months. So be careful about that. Let's see what other cards have to suggest us for your June 2020 prediction. We in relationship segment, we have celebration card in the upright position, a very beautiful card. It suggests that there is some celebration expected in your relationship in the coming month. So this celebration could be some get together with your friends or family, if not physically but virtually. It could also suggest, if you're single, it could suggest news with relation to engagement or marriage. It could suggest if you have been planning a baby and you are married, this could suggest that you might be just blessed with the news of pregnancy. It could also suggest you just spending time, beautiful time with your spouse and a partner, partying with your friends or your family, and spending really fun time with each other and networking with each other, connecting with each other in a at a very different level and a heart-to-heart level, where you are trying to rediscover or rebuild the relationship and taking it to the next level. So beautiful card, honestly, a very good interpretation, that message that I'm getting out of it. Coming to your messages, there is a card of nothingness. So there is a possibility of you developing this relationship which you are currently nurturing to a very different and a beautiful level. So you can start from nothing to lot of beautiful things. So there is a scope of growth, scope of development, scope of betterment and nourishment in your relationship in the month of June. A beautiful time for relationship building. Just work on it with full honest heart. Coming to your career business card or education card, we have a card, judgment card in your segment, judgment in the upright position. So this card is suggesting that there is something unexpected happening in your career or business. So very strong major arcana card. So whatever is happening, whatever decision is being made or is going to be made, is going to be for your good. So you might feel that it is sudden disruption in the plan of action which you had in terms of your career or business or education, but it is for your good. So there is a drastic change, a dramatic change which is expected in your career. There is a possibility you might change the career. You might leave previous job and get into something very different which you never thought you will get into. You might follow your passion, your work, or as your work. You might follow your hobby as your work. You might just rediscover a different talent in you. You might just rebuild some skill which you never thought you had. You might just get some inclination towards the spiritual side, some connectivity, divine connectivity. So there are a lot of different possibilities that can happen in your career or business or education segment. You just have to be realistic. Don't dream and don't get stuck to your imagination. Be realistic. Accept the change that is coming your way. Don't be resistant. This change is abrupt, it is uncertain, it is unexpected, but it is for your good. So just be rest assured of that, and go with the flow, and be realistic and be matured while accepting it and taking some changes, that change to the next level. Coming to a financial card, we have Queen of Swords in the upright position. It shows that some lady who is going to guide you with respect to your financial investment. Either there will be some lady who is going to guide you, or your inner intuition is going to guide you to plan your financial investment in a very better fashion. Now this lady is a very thoughtful lady. Either it will be like your analyst who is guiding you in this, advisor who is guiding you in this, or a senior member in the family. If it is a family business, it could be you yourself who is trying to figure out a better way to plan your financial investments. There is some this person, whoever it is they have a very right intent, very intellectual kind of a person, very research driven person, well connected, very authoritative person, and the person has a good interest in mind for you. So surely take the advice from such person. That person will help you sail through the tough time which you are expected to go through in the financial segment in the coming month. Of course, as the card is suggesting here, don't trust the man who is trying to drain your finances. There is a possibility somebody might approach you, or already somebody has been in touch with you with regards to same. Message for you in the financial segment is, don't get stuck to some wrong, don't get stuck to the guilt that you're carrying because of some wrong decisions that you have taken in the financial investment. It's okay, accept it, let it go, and move on in life. There are people who are here to guide you. There is your intuition who is there to guide you and sail you through this tough time also. Coming to your health card, we have Wheel of Fortune in the reverse position. A very bad card, honestly, to be in the reverse position in health segment, because it is showing that your health is topsy-turvy, totally upside down, and that is not in your hands also, because it is meant to be upside down in the coming time. Bad time in your health, in short. So what you can do here is be receptive to your health, to your body, to your emotions. Be receptive. Try to understand what your body, your emotions, your health, your psychology, your mind is trying to communicate with you, what your whole soul is trying to communicate with you, and immediately take the corrective actions. Because if you don't do that, your health will collapse. Of course, you will discover a different strength, a different paradigm in health, paradigm shift in your health, but it is going to be for your good, but it is going to drain you a lot in the beginning. So just be careful and be receptive to the divine messages. There will be some guidance. So though there is a difficult shift that is going to happen in your health, somewhere I can see your spiritual health or spiritual connectivity being enhanced, because I can see a receptivity message over here. So sometimes what happens, during the time of awakening or your shift to the another dimension, your health really collapses because of the kind of energies that are coming in, connecting with your body, or the kind of messages that you're gaining, your soul or your mind is trying to decode. There is a lot of drainage which is happening. So there is a possibility that you might get a spiritual inclination during these times. For those who are not getting spiritual inclination, they will get some messages to heal their themselves, and they have to really take double care about their health, because here also I can see your grounding getting missed. You'll feel ungrounded, imbalanced, lot of anxiety, lot of stress, lot of panic, fear, feeling imbalanced, feeling ungrounded, feeling lack of energy, lot of negative thoughts. All these things might just clutter your mind and body and physique. So just be well aware that it is a phase of time. This reading, use it for pre-warning, and mentally be prepared to face this situation in your health segment. Make your family aware of it, make yourself aware of it, so that you don't get totally shattered during this phase, because it is going to really reshuffle you and rearrange you in a different manner altogether as the time passes by. Coming to your summary card, we have a Judgment card in the upright position. Beautiful card. It says it is the time for change for you. So whether it is in a career segment, whether it is in health segment, you are going to experience a drastic, unexpected, unwanted change, but this change is surely for your good. So don't be panicked, don't be scared, don't be worried. Just accept what is coming in your plate. Over the period, you will know that it is for your good. Be aware, be prepared, and be strong to accept it. You have the strength within you. Just explore it. Use it to your benefit in the coming month. A very good luck to all the Pisceans. Tough time coming by. Be strong and be aware. Friends, good day. I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. Do follow me on my Instagram account, on my Facebook page, Tarot Reader Shefali or Tarot Guide Shefali, and do follow me on Instagram page, which is Tarot Reader Shefali. Don't forget to comment on my videos. Your comment really helped me to get your feedback. Also, your suggestion helped me to improvise my videos, as well as to get some new videos on new topics for pick card reading. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. They will be able to take some help out of it on the basis of the situation. Remember that this is a generalized reading, and take it as a general guiding light. If at all you are looking for more personalized reading, go for a personalized session with me or some other tarot reader. If you want to book an appointment with me, you can connect with me on the mobile number that is there on the screen, or you can put me a mail or message on the Messenger or Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messenger. I really hope to help you in my capacity. A very good luck to all of you.